7 reasons your boyfriend is not committed to you. 1. He doesn't want to marry you. No matter how many times he tells you, "I love you. I want to marry you." If he is not committed to you yet, that's a sign he doesn't see himself marrying you. Guys are committed to those they want to marry, or at least have plans of marrying. 2. He doesn't see you in his future. When a guy doesn't see a woman in his future, he will never commit to her. Men are committed to a woman they see their future with. So if your guy is on and off, just know that he doesn't have you in his plans for the future. 3. He hasn't discovered his mission in life. Men hardly commit to anyone when they are unsure of their mission in life. Until a man discovers his mission, commitment will be difficult for him.
Why is that, sir?
Because a woman's primary duty is to help a man accomplish his mission. Now, if a man has no mission, what will the woman be doing when she comes? You see why many men are not committed to any woman yet. They are still finding their life purpose. 4. He doesn't want to be exclusively yours. If your boyfriend is struggling with commitment, this could mean that he doesn't want to be a one-woman man. He likes to be the ladies' man. He doesn't want to belong to you alone. 5. He doesn't find freedom in you. No man wants to commit to a woman who makes him feel like he is in her cage. Every man wants freedom. Freedom here means freedom to explore his full potential. A man likes to be with a woman that brings out the best in him. So if you are not bringing out the best in him, if you are not giving him the freedom to be the best of himself, he won't be committed to you. 6. You are doing nothing with your life. No man wants to commit to a woman who is doing nothing tangible with her life. 7. He is not committed to you because you are not subscribed to this channel. Subscribing to this channel helps you to learn how to become the best of yourself, thereby getting him to commit.